Hey, it's Jack here, and tonight we're going to be staying at the Trump International Hotel here in Las Vegas. Got the room already reserved. Let's go inside and check things out. All of the hotel parking is valet only, complimentary valet I should say. So when you come here to the hotel, pull your car off to the right here like these folks have done. A valet will come over, give you an electronic ticket that'll be sent to your phone, and you use that electronic ticket to pick up your car later on. So let's go on inside, check out the hotel. Brings us into the hotel lobby. This hotel has no casino, it's just the hotel itself. Got the check-in desk off to the left there, concierge desk in front of us. Then off to the right is their restaurant. You come back through the main lobby. Off to the left is the Trump store. You come in, you've got your ice cream if you want it. If you're looking for some wine, they've got Trump wine here. And the Trump wine does come from their vineyards in Virginia. They also have other beverages. Also some candy over here on this side. If you need some chips or cup of noodles, they have those available also. Well, they have some shot glasses, some tumblers, some coffee mugs, and some travel mugs. If you left your charger at home or just quit working for you, they've got those here for you. They have a small assortment of Las Vegas bling here. And here you can buy yourself a Las Vegas bling $100 bill. Benjamin Franklin looking pretty cool right there. Along the other wall they have apparel, some flip-flops if you forgot yours at home or need some for the pool. And not that you need it this time of year, but they do have some sweatshirts. When we come off the elevator, now how they have this laid out is if you go the wrong way, it tells you. So over here, our room for the night is 3,300, so we've got to turn around and go the other way. And we can see as we approach the sign, room 3,300 is just to our right. Go up here. And here it says room 3,300. Coming in through the door off to the left, we have the bathroom. In the bathroom off to the right, they have a jacuzzi tub. There's a nice mirror. They have this nice vanity. They have the sinks, 2 sinks. They've got plenty of towels under the sink for your visit. Here's the toilet, and if you need to make a phone call, they got a phone right there. And on this side is a step-in shower. And it's a marble shower, nice looking shower head. Their toiletries are NutraBis. They have a shampoo, conditioner, and a shower gel. Coming out of the bathroom, there is this unique picture. They've got these shelves with some glass on them. Got some cabinets right here. Cabinet auto lights up when you open the door. And here there's the ironing board. Over here is a lint brush and what looks like a shoehorn. And we cannot forget the luggage rack. And we go to closet number 2. We got some hangers in here. And some more hangers over there. And again, this closet lights up when you open the door. Here's a nice sized TV. Here's a small kitchenette. You've got a sink, a coffee maker, some water. Got an electric stove right there. You have a microwave, and here is an in-room refrigerator that you can put your own stuff into. I was told at the front desk that everything in the room is complimentary, the coffee and the water. And if we keep going down from the kitchenette, we've got more shelves. There is a ice bucket there. Opposite all that is this nice king-size bed. There's this nice desk right here to do some work. Nice living area. And looking out the window, this is our view. We can look out, we can see Treasure Island. The Palazzo, there's a Venetian. We look over here to the right a little bit, there is the Mirage. Off in the distance we can see the Caesar's Palace and the Cosmopolitan. If we continue to pan out to our right, we can see there's the Rio. And off in the distance, Spring Mountains. Exit off to our right here. Down this way are a bunch of meeting rooms. Here this says North Deck. And this is a deck area. And this is a non-smoking hotel. Be a smoking location for someone who is a smoker staying in a non-smoking hotel. And they can come out here and smoke them if they got them. And go back to the room. Come around here and we've got the fitness center. It's a rather large fitness center. People working out and such. And here is the spa. It's currently closed, not because of anything, it's just after hours. This takes us to the pool. Here at the hotel, they have cabana rentals. You can rent these day beds, but then they have plenty of the lounge chairs. The lounge chairs are pretty easy to detect as to which one's available. The pool staff comes by and puts a rolled up towel in the crest of the lounge chair there. That way you know this one's available and you can use it. On a hot day like this, they have these power breezers to cool things down. You're sitting in one of these chairs over here, and you get the nice power breeze on your neck.
This is our poolside restaurant and bar called H2O. You go inside here, place your food order, place your drink order, and go pick it up like these folks are doing here.
So that was a tour of the pool level and the north deck.
33rd floor.
Every floor of this hotel has ice machines located across from rooms 05 and 06. If we look over here, here's the ice, and you can fill up your ice bucket. And to get the ice, just use your room key, put it in, and you get ice. Here's our view for the evening. It's been a long day. I'll see you all in the morning. Oh, we wake up to some overcast monsoonal weather this morning, typical of Las Vegas this time of year. So what was it like spending the night at Trump International Hotel here in Las Vegas? The bed was very comfortable. For that, cannot complain. There was no outside hall noise, and if there was an additional door to close to drown out that noise, but for being right by the elevator, there was no noise at all. Now the room itself, very luxurious, very comfortable. However, there were some quirks with the room. One was by the window, there's a vent to allow outside air in. It was actually broke and popped up, and it was bringing in the outside sound and also hot air because it was 108 degrees here yesterday. So I ended up taking one of their decorative vases and put it on top of that vent, which held it down. Therefore, the room
cooled down and the outside noise was gone. Now when nightfall came down, in fact after I shot the video showing you what it looked like outside, I closed the curtains up and noticed a gap in the curtains, and I couldn't get that gap to close. I took a decorative vase, put it on the floor, and that was able to hold the curtains together and keep the light out. So hotels valet parking only. I'm a person who's used to parking my car, going to pick my car up, and not waiting for someone to bring it to me. I had dinner off property, therefore around dinner time I went down, picked up my car. It took about 15-20 minutes for it to be brought to me. It was extremely busy down there, and they brought my car out, no problem, got out. I made it to dinner just in time for my reservation, but still keep that in mind when you come out. If you're not a valet person like me, you might have to wait some time for your car and allow that time to where you're not late to your engagement. The fitness center had a lot of equipment. The restaurant down there by the pool was really nice. I did not use it, but just the people I talked to said that the food was good and the drinks were good. The pool was great. Staff was super friendly. The rolled up towels are on the lounge chairs. That tells you that that chair is free, that you can use it. There's no signs indicating that, so it's one thing that they can improve on, saying if there's a rolled up towel on the chair, it's yours, you can use it. The elevators here in the hotel were just amazing. What I showed you earlier in the video going up and down the elevator, that is real time. It's within a few seconds you're up and down in the elevator. Really smooth, not this herky-jerky that some of the other hotels have. I have to say it's the smoothest and quickest elevator of any building, hotel or business building I've been in anywhere in the country. Wish every hotel would have an elevator like they have here. It's just amazing. So would I stay here at the Trump Hotel again? Definitely. A very nice hotel. The amenities are fine. I don't need a casino here in Las Vegas, so for me that works out well. But if you want to have a casino in your hotel, maybe this is not the best for you. It is one of the nicer priced hotels on the Strip, and why not check it out? There's not a parking fee, but there is a resort fee. I call that extortion tax that most of the Strip hotels have. It's an extra $35 to $40 a night. Originally I was told the resort fee was to help pay for the stadium. Well, the stadium is now built and they've kept the resort fees around. So I don't know really the reason for the resort fees other than just getting more money off the people that come to the hotel.
Lobby.
Well, here's the menu at the DJT Restaurant. This is their breakfast menu. Not sure what I'm going to get, but when I get there, I'll let you know. Well, breakfast has arrived, and today we're having some applewood bacon with some scrambled eggs, some potatoes, and some wheat toast. We'll see what this flavor tastes like in just a moment. Whatever they put on these potatoes is just amazing. The flavor is so good. And you really can't screw up scrambled eggs too much. Those are good too. The toast is, wheat toast with some jelly on it. But the potatoes here are really, really worth the breakfast itself. Well, I made short work of that breakfast. The seasoning on the potatoes is worth the price of admission. Also for breakfast, they have this quick serve called Coffee Point, where they serve coffee, bananas, pastries, and so forth. Well, I hope you enjoyed this walk-around tour of the Trump International Hotel here in Las Vegas, Nevada. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and we'll catch you on the next one.